Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G73, and today I would like to show you how you can change the food apps on this Motorola. First of all, go into Play Store and install your new food apps. In my case, Opera Mini Browser. When your apps are ready, go into Settings right away. In Settings, scroll down to access Apps section. Then click on the food apps and tap on one of those options. I want to change my browser app, so I have to click on it. Tap on the one that I wish to apply, in this case Opera Mini, and click on the back button. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!